Hello YouTubers and welcome. I'm back and I have a special thing for you. This is a giant beer can which, as you can see, I've put a full range 10-watt speaker in. Here's what the size of it is. It's a 5 litre. I've had this for a few years. My uncle helped me put a hole in it and now it's a Bluetooth speaker, a giant Bluetooth speaker, but today I have it linked up to here. And this thing sounds very good. I put some sound insulation inside it. I will say one thing in advance though, guys. The tinsel leads at very good bass levels will rattle. So any rattling you hear is actually from the tinsel leads inside. The tinsel leads that connect to the cardboard part where they have them connected, you know, the little bit where it connects up to the speaker, it's rattling around because it's a little bit loose. But anyway, without further ado, I'm going to play some more non-copyrighted music and we will begin. Here's the song I'm using. It's called let me see if I can find it. There we go. That's what it's called. If you want to know the full song, just Shazam it. Anyway, without further ado, let's begin. As you can hear, it rattles a bit at the beginning. Sorry about that, guys. I just fucking sent my thing flying. Ah, I just swore. Sorry about that.
If you catch my drift,
It's fully sealed as well, guys.
on your feet right next to me, come on.
I didn't know you could do that. Okay.
On your feet right next to me, come on.
Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and goodbye.